Hi everyone, today I will share this very simple yet very delicious leg of lamb recipe. There are very few ingredients I'm using, but the taste and flavor are fantastic. And here is what you're going to need. 1 stick of melted butter, and if the leg of lamb that you bought already has the fat on the top, you can only use 1/4 of a stick of butter. 2 tablespoons of kosher sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried mint, 1 tablespoon of dried savory, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 12 to 15 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of dried or fresh dill, 20 to 25 chopped scallions, 6 pounds of potatoes, sliced in half, 1 leg of lamb, and the one I have in the video is 6 pounds, and 1 cup of water. And when you have everything chopped, prepared, and ready to go, turn the oven on and preheat it 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So start by placing the leg of lamb in a very large pan that can hold the leg of lamb and the 6 pounds of potatoes. Spread the melted butter over the leg of lamb. This step is to ensure that all the herbs will stick to the meat and don't fall on the bottom of the pan. So if the leg of lamb you're using still has the fat on it, just use half a stick of butter, just enough to get the ingredients to stick to the meat. Then spread half of the kosher salt, the black pepper, the dried mint, the dried savory, and the dried thyme over the lamb. Next, arrange the sliced potatoes around the leg of lamb and place all of the bay leaves over the meat. Pour the cup of water and then spread all of the chopped scallions over the potatoes and the leg of lamb, and make sure to cover the leg of lamb very well with the chopped scallions. Then sprinkle the rest of the kosher salt and the fresh or dried dill only over the scallions and the potatoes, not over the meat. And finally, completely cover the pan with foil and make sure to tuck all the corners of the foil so there is no air escaping from the pan. Place the pan in the oven and set the timer to 3 hours and just walk away for a while. And after 3 hours, take the leg of lamb out of the oven and very carefully remove the foil, because there is going to be a lot of steam build up under the foil and it's going to burn your hands and face. So be very careful. After you uncover it, place the pan back in the oven for another 15 minutes and take a look at that beauty. The potatoes are perfectly cooked, the meat is falling off the bone, it's juicy, it's fantastic. And if you enjoyed this leg of lamb recipe, please like this video. If you try it, please come back and let me know how was it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also check out my other channel, the fun one. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.